there. Chicken and mushroom sauce, sweet and sour chicken, curry chicken. I'm in Chinatown and Thornton people here in South London on the end here. If the food is nice, I'm gonna tell you guys to come and check it out.
Yeah.
I saw you put rice in that thing, brother.
Yeah.
As a yard man.
Come on, everything in there.
Hope you enjoy it because it's my first time as well.
Well, brothers, you're my brother, man.
And the best thing they don't so is nothing has pork in it.
Brilliant.
That I last in you anyway, so you have to tell the people. After a man, the man whole life food, you know. Listen, the man them off the whole of the food. Yeah? Alright, you have to talk about the food now, man. I need some marga again. How they taste though?
Yes, I have them long time.
Big different. One love to each and every one of you that's in here right now watching.
It's a good guess that you knew at the first time. You're right.
Yeah, that's a good man. I couldn't even lock my thing, people, yeah, so guess what? Gone. Alright, so this used to be like I think it used to be a chicken shop. Good vibes. Stitch, where I going? Now we could go in that shop. Eh? You know what? We could go in that shop here, man. See what's on the menu. Okay, so it's like a takeaway buffet, yeah. So you can come in here. Yes, Wagwan. Love. So it's like, yeah, they banged me here, so I'm just letting the people them know Wagwan. First time you come here?
Yeah, man. Regular.
You know what I'm saying? We do it to real people and the man them say they feel for some Chinese in the night, yeah. Yeah, man, so we do outside people and you don't know, so yeah. Guess what? Welcome to 24-hour kitchen people and Ringo Vision. Just something different. You understand? We're in Thornton people here, so we're gonna show you one shop here. We're just pulling up Noodles City. So they're doing noodles here, yeah, for $4.99 for large, $3.99, $7.99. The man them say, Ringo, man, I can't go around place. I said, okay, then I'm gonna show the people them this place. We can come out and see what I'm going. So basically, people, yeah, I'm on 14 High Street, and yeah, I've never been to this noodle place before, but I'm gonna go and check it out, you understand, and give you guys the vibes and let you guys know if it's good or if it's not, you understand? So yeah, man, good vibes. If you've never come down to 14 people, yeah, soon I'll be giving you guys a little insight on the area of 14. 14 is one of them areas there outside of Croydon as well, people, yeah. So big up all my South Londoners and big up all my Londoners, North, South, East and West. Yeah, man, people all over England and all over the world. Those of you that have just come onto the channel, people, yeah, welcome to the channel. You understand, this bus 50 here, there, is going to Croydon. So a good vibes, so you know that we're still local in town, you understand? That is it, a good vibes. Alright, so this used to be like I think it used to be a chicken shop. Good vibes. Stitch, where I going? Now we could go in that shop. Eh? You know what? We could go in that shop here, man. See what's on the menu. Okay, so it's like a takeaway buffet, yeah. So you can come in here. Yes, Wagwan. Love. So it's like, yeah, they banged me here, so I'm just letting the people them know Wagwan. First time you come here? Regular. What's the food like?
It's a good look, man. No pork in the place.
No pork in the place?
Yeah.
Alright, so the man them brought me out here and said, bro, we're going to show you a buffet place in Thornton. So I thought, yeah, let me just come in here and just show the people them where I go and said, yeah, love, yeah? Come on, love. Tuna we in a place and I say, you know, it's not where you want.
Yeah.
You know, it's not where you want.
I want everything.
Get a container. Hold on. Charlie definitely sitting to you know. How you just get?
Some containers about some Chinese.
Alright, good vibes.
What's that?
Alright, so these are the containers that you get. Two lid. 2 containers in the tray. So yeah, man, this is like we're getting dealt with like we're in Chinatown out here, people. Yeah, Chinatown in Thornton. Yeah. So yeah, man, Tuna, take your container. No? Are you yeah, man, are good vibes.
So what? So what?
So just load up whatever you want, put whatever you want in there. Yeah, whatever you want to eat. So they got the special fried rice here.
Yeah.
There's no pork in it, so they don't need pork in there. And they got the egg fried rice over there, chicken and mushroom sauce, sweet and sour chicken, curry chicken, mushrooms, some mushrooms there. We've got beef and black bean sauce, chicken and black bean sauce. We've got spicy chicken wings over here as well, everyone. Yeah, man, they got quite some. They got some things on the menu. So let's look on the other side and see what they got over here as well. Broccoli, special noodles, Singapore noodles. Alright, so they got chips in there on the menu as well. You understand? They got some chips in there, chips and potato wedges. They've got some prawns over there, but the prawns them look like they're finished. How long have you been open there, sir? How long have you been open?
Shop?
Yeah, this shop here.
Almost 2.5 years.
Okay, so it's kind of like still fresh. Yeah. So what's the business like here?
Every time, yeah.
Busy?
Yeah.
Because people like it's cheap, innit?
Oh my God, fresh food.
Fresh food.
Yeah.
Fresh food.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
gonna try it today and see. Thank you very much. Yeah, man, good vibes. Alright, people, yeah. I'm gonna be trying. Wow, look at that. Good vibes. 6, 7 sessions. Mr. Chad said for you, yeah, nice. Yeah, bro. Have you played that? Yeah, bro. Come on. That's simple, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So nice. I don't know what you want to pay and so I'm going to start yet, you know.
You know, so anything I've been, man. Like, next week, Chad. No, man, I think I don't want no more, man. That's in no one. I made a famous, but you know one on himself. Alright, sit alright. Alright, a good vibe. We're in a place, no people. A good vibe. Big up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, yeah. Alright, a good vibe. We're also gonna have you on the floor, like, you understand? You see how Ali put the man on the floor? Alright, we're gonna have to have you on the floor. If you don't subscribe, look, Situna, yeah.
Everything we are getting.
Chips, potato wedges.
Yeah.
Look. You see when you come to a shop like this, you have to know how to pack. You're not a packer. So
yeah,
look,
I know.
Let me pack this. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna pack this and show them how to pack people. Yeah. Cause you have to be a real packer out here. Yeah. To make this one right. You understand? A good vibe. Big up yourself, people. Normally, yeah, you see me with the shopping trolley here, but today I'm out. You know. Look. I'm in Chinatown and Thornton, people here in South London on the end here. If the food is nice, I'm gonna tell you guys to come and check it out for yourself. You understand? Alright, a good vibe. That is it. Container's empty, and you're gonna see how I'm gonna. Clear, man.
Hold on.
Nothing can't lift up over here. You sit not for lucky, no? No, man, you're not for that one. And you can't eat right in neither, too. But we don't see you put no the rice. We don't see you put no rice on your thing. I saw you put rice on your thing, brother.
Yeah.
As a yard man.
Come on, everything in there. And only one.
There's no prunes. Is there any more prunes?
Brother, this last time, I think half an hour ago is finished.
Okay. No, just asking, just because I wanted to show, I wanted to show my people on camera what the prawns look like.
We have prawns, no worries.
Okay.
Fish, prawns, everything. That's
Okay.
it last time.
Okay. Yeah, good vibes, no. Yeah, man. It's got like a sit-down buffet in here as well. As you can see, that people come in here and they sit down as well. You understand? A good vibe. Is this your first time here, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your first time?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you enjoy it because it's my first time as well.
Well, brothers,
Yeah.
you're my brother, man.
And
it together.
And the best thing to do, so is nothing has pork in it.
Brilliant.
So it's good. A good vibe. So now what I say?
Wrong.
Wrong. Yes, people, big up yourself, something different. One love to each and every one of you that's in here right now watching.
It's a good guess that you knew my first time. You're right.
Yeah, no, it's a good vibes, good vibes.
Do you mind for me?
What? Pack it up?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, more.
So
One
what
thing.
you want? So what you want to do?
One. Anything goes. Put some more rice on it. Yeah.
Alright.
Put some sweet chili. Sweet to put
So
up.
when you're doing serving, you can't take out the whole like, a chicken you're looking at, meat you're looking at. So if you look meat, you have to make sure you have meat.
No, meat there again.
Meat you get.
Alright, sir.
So you know, say meat. Where else you want?
Give me some, give me a look at that curry there. Or no, give me the black bean.
Show the camera for me to show you.
Yes.
Yes, people do that themselves. So, hey, you know, with Mr. Chinny place today. You know,
So yeah.
you know, we're there on a Mr. Chinny place. Where else you want?
Put piece of chicken and put some noodle on it for me.
Noodle.
Yeah, the big noodle there. Yeah, that one there. Yeah.
Where else you want?
No, I think that's it. Alright, give me some of that. Is that the prawn with the shell in it?
Yeah.
I don't really like the shell, but give me some shell then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Put the camera for me.
Alright. Oh, sorry.
Hold the camera.
Sorry.
Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Yeah.
Set him up.
Yeah, set me up nice.
Hold this.
I'm good with that.
A good vibe.
I'm good with that. Yeah.
He's not a good cameraman, people. Yeah. All right, but I'm gonna pack my plate quickly and show you guys where I go on. Yeah. A good vibes. Once again, yes, people. So yeah, man, I've just packed my meal. A good vibes. Big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you. You understand?
People just want to get close to you. That's why.
You can take the hood out the people, but you can't take the hood out. You can't take the people out the hood. A good vibes. Thank you very much, everybody. Big up yourself. A good vibes.
Sorry, some people are minding, we come video.
Okay, sorry. Yes, brother. Yes, I understand. Okay. A good vibe. Thank you. Yes, people, so big up yourselves over there, man. A good vibes. Yes. Voila, man. I couldn't even lock my thing, people, yeah, so guess what? Gone.
Close now.
Not close.
No, man, your one not close, but my one close.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not packed good.
See, let me see that for you.
Not there.
For your lock up.
Yeah, you can wall eat more.
What the fuck? Juki on that side. Good vibes up, people. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Let's do the verdicts right now, quickly. Quicker and fast. And the onion ring. Onion ring bad. All right, people. So it's that talking time right now, So guess what I got? Hold on there, cause this is not gonna work, Taste at them, tell the people I'm going to go and remove them. Mad sitting there going, people. So yes, people, so yeah, man, we're down Mr. Chin place, A good vibes.
One time young people do something and then get caught or you get caught. People run up and people say, yeah man, I ride my time.
Right, man.
And I ride 4 cars.
Mr. Chin, spring roll them now, say two bad things in my go on. Yes, people, big up yourself. You don't know what I've man still itch up outside the shop still. So if the food don't taste good, no, I'll go back in there and tell them. But food not too bad. £5 you can't go wrong. I win.
Really?
I win that foreign.
£5.
Noodles City. Thornton eat. That's not going with in England, yeah. Alright. Water no. Seem like you enjoy yourself, man.
It's alright. No complaint from it. God no.
But you love food though. So you're not gonna complain because you're a food man.
I rather that too.
You know, so yeah, that she done. A shovel in for you, know, tonight. Yo, man, if you want a shovel, brother, because you know, a shovel, you need to shovel up for you sitting up. I go back tonight again, people. You see that? Me's a man who really take time and just go and when even know him can't eat half all of the food. Yeah. Did you get chicken wing?
Yeah. You didn't get none?
Put all the sitting in there, man.
Well, my verdict is that, boy, you know what? I wish I didn't get this prawn thing, you know what I mean?
But that's the last thing, though.
Yeah, but then,
I tell him, say people, yeah, so the prawns, yeah, it's in the shell, so it's got everything in it. You get me? The head and everything depending, so but he must talk about, say, if people can yam then sitting there with me, I say, I saw you cook with the head and everything. So some people. Alright, that last sitting you eat anyway. So you have to tell the people. After a man yam off whole life food, you know. Listen, the man yam off the whole of the food. Yeah? Alright, you have to talk about the food now, man, and tell the people.
The food's alright, man. The food's alright, man. But you see the prawn there. No, I never got through any problem with prawn like this yet. You know what I mean?
Man ain't too eyeball.
I never really have to clean up prawn before I start. Yeah.
And then some maga again. How they taste though?
Taste like they have them long time. So, I have them long time. You know that Jamaican people eat. I have to please sometimes.
A long time. Boy, look, people, look, man, I show you, say, yeah, look, I had the spring rolls. I just got everything on the menu, yeah, because it's good to show you guys everything. You understand? But let me show you. All I had on my menu, yeah, so far is just the spring rolls. I've even tasted the noodles and whatnot, yeah. But yeah, man, a good vibe said I'll just lock my thing back up here, cause I'm good right now. But tuna, yeah, so him name have everything. So he's gonna give you guys a verdict because he's finished eating.
Yeah, no, man. Money well spent, £5 well spent. You get me?
Yeah, you don't come back.
Yeah, definitely we don't come back. But I'm not take a prawn though. I left to leave them with a prawn.
Alright, people, so Tuna saying we don't come back, but he man left a prawn. So, yeah, man, we come to Noodles City, yes, I Thornton eat people, yeah. Come check them out, you understand? Because we buy some prawns right now and some whole of a different Chinese food mixture. Yeah, man, the thing alright still, so Tuna saying we don't forward back. You understand? So, good vibes, people, big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you that's been on the program, people, yeah. That is it. Our good vibes. Empty container.
Empty container.
Like I said, this shop seems like it's a very, very busy shop because the people them are coming in and in and in and in, and as you can see that the serving is just consistently, they're just serving up food. People are coming for these £5 containers like hot bread, like they're baking them out the oven. You say you ready to know?
Ready for the road.
Yeah man, a good vibes man. On the road people, yeah, so a good vibes. We just check out Noodles today. That the man just come out with his thing like mine. He didn't even lock it. Can't just bust a U-turn like that, the man needs to know. Right, that's all. Fling around the big truck to now. That is it. On the road now. Yes, people, so we're in the Thornton right now. Thornton High Street, people, yeah. So big up yourself. That's the Salvation Army there of Thornton. We've seen the one in Croydon. That's the one in Thornton, Sedway. You understand? So, yeah, man, one love to each and every one of you people, yeah. Our good vibes. Until next time, that is it. Yes, everybody, so I just want to say to you, yeah, this is a brand spanking new day. Yeah, so this is a light out I do and it's bright out here. It's raining today, so last night was dry. Tuna, bust this open for me then. I'm a very, very, very fussy eater people, yeah. So all you can see that I just ate the spring rolls. I still left some spring rolls. The chicken wings, chicken underneath here, you know, people. The chicken underneath the rice here, you know. So I'm gonna show you everything in the said where. Everything underneath the said where people here. So Mr. Chin can't go on, you know. But I have to go back to Mr. Chin next time again. Maybe my appetite just wasn't there last night, people, yeah. But guess what I go on? We have to stick to the Ringo Vision 24 hour kitchen and them flavour the car. Them flavour they are carry vibes, you know, people, yeah. A good vibe. But big up Mr. Chin said we, I'm doing £5 box food, you understand? But
Ringo Vision I do it all the way.
yeah.
I mean.
Yeah, Mr. Chin I go on with the thing, you know, people, but guess what I go on? You can't beat when Ringo Vision have a food out for you people, you understand? A good vibes. I eat that, you know, tonight.
Yes, hallelujah.
Yeah, man.
Hallelujah, what you mean?